Okay, we're making this a game. It's called Try to Guess the Sound. You guys are gonna guess it, and at the end we'll tell you the answers. There's only gonna be 5 guess the things. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Okay, first one. Okay, hope you guys know what that is. And then, okay. Moo, moo. Do another sound that we haven't done.
Me, I guess.
Me. What the heck is that?
It's a horsey.
Okay, you're not supposed to say it, but okay. It's not a horse, okay? Meow! That's what she did, okay? Can
But
do
I
it.
didn't do that. It's a
You
horse.
did that, shut up. Okay, can really go. No, Vanessa, go.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. Hong Kong. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let me tell you the thing. The first one was a sheep.
And then the second one was a
cow.
cow.
The third one was a cat. The fourth was a puppy.
Dog. Puppy.
Puppy. The fifth one was a trailer or a honking car. Okay, thank you. It's not. I was just posted a random video because I was bored. When I'm bored, I post random videos. Oh, and please watch the other videos I posted of my dog lost and my.
Sleepovers.
No, I didn't post that one. I don't like it 'cause you got mad. And then.
Yeah, why? Because you're
Shut
mad.
up, both of you. And then one of my dogs and my cats are becoming friends. Okay, thank you. Oh, don't mind my cousins. Bye.